Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can design a low content book for Amazon KDP so that you can start generating passive income without having to spend a lot of time creating and shipping products. I'll be demonstrating in full how to design your own low content book, like a journal, planner, and more. And I'll be showing you how you can quickly fill the pages of your book in bulk. Along with that, I'll be showing you how to research the trending books on Amazon KDP so that you can take a look at the market and analyze what's performing well. And I'll be demonstrating how to create a cover for your book. I'll be using the tool BookBolt. The benefits of using BookBolt is that there are no upfront costs. You can create an unlimited number of book designs from anywhere in the world. You don't need any former experience like writing and designing experience. Once you've bulk created your book design, you can download it straight from BookBolt, and then when you go to upload your book onto the Amazon KDP platform, Amazon will print your book and ship it out directly to your customers when they place their orders. Your customers will receive a physical copy of your book, and you can make a passive profit per sale. Without further ado, let's get straight into this video. For a brief overview of Amazon KDP, KDP is an easy and free way for book publishers and authors to publish their books on Kindle and the Kindle reading apps. If you're looking to generate passive income through selling easy-to-make planners, journals, and more, using Amazon KDP allows you to take a book that you've pre-designed online and publish it to the Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing platform. I'll be covering the design aspects for how to design your low-content book, create even hundreds of pages in bulk, and I'll be showing you how to research and analyze the well-performing KDP books so you can get inspo for what performs well. And everything I just listed can be performed using the BookBolt platform. I'd also like to thank BookBolt for sponsoring this video. To get started, when you open the BookBolt platform, you can set up a free account using their 3-day free trial. On their dashboard, you'll see a few comprehensive tutorials for a few of their features, including their Book Scout, their product research feature, and more. I'm first off going to click here where it says Cloud. And this is where you can do a search for what type of category of book you're looking to sell. There's a variety of different book types that you can research, including journals, calendars, planners, even coloring books and comic books. And based on the results you would like to filter by, you can filter your searches to see some of the top best-selling products. You can also filter by the bestseller rank range and the price range of the book, as well as any particular keywords you're looking for. And BookBolt will recommend you high-performing books based on your search filters. These are book recommendations straight from Amazon, and you can study a book with a similar style to the book you're looking to sell. You can also take a look at the title they're using, the publication date, the estimated monthly sales, and more. Once you've chosen your book inspo, you can also choose to filter by the author and take a look at other books they've published. A tip for a way that you can increase your average sales would be to try to publish a variety of different books. This way you can take a look at what performs well for you, and based on your stats, you can publish more books similar to that. You can copy the title of the book, then you'll want to open Amazon, and you can search to see more results, and also take a look at the market for this type of book on Amazon. A tip for if you're looking for a book market that is not overly saturated, you want these search results to be around or under 3,000 results. Then next, you can explore their keyword page. This is where you can search by that book type, and take a look at the high volume searches that are related to that particular type of book. So as you can see, here are some of the top search terms in regards to a gratitude journal type book. You can also filter and take a look at the Google search terms as well. Then at the bottom of the page, you can take a look at the commonly used keywords. Then next, you can go in to open the BookBolt Studio. You'll be able to select what type of book you would like to create. To keep your Amazon royalties higher, you want to select a lower cost print option for your book. So I'll be selecting paperback, cover, and interior. The paperback will be more affordable to print than hardcover. Then you can type in your project name. You can select your book size dimensions. For an example of a way that you can determine your print size, you can open up one of those books on Amazon and take a look at their book dimensions. For the paper type, you can select a black and white interior for a more affordable print. For the bleed type, you'll want to select a bleed. Then you can select your page count. Then I'm going to click Create Project. and these will be your book covers. The right side will be the front cover of your book, and the left side will be the back cover. Then you'll see over here the individual pages. For this portion of the video, I'll be showing you how to customize your book design. I'm going to start by hiding the default page template. When you click this image icon, here you can choose to upload your own photos to add to your book pages, and you can also sort between their free Pixabay images. These are safe free pictures that you can add, and you can also search for any particular picture you're looking for. You can also select to preview an image. And then you can go ahead and adjust the scaling of the picture that you upload. Then you can also upload elements onto the page. Here I'm uploading a square shape icon to appear behind the text overlays. I'll be uploading a text box. And here's where you can type in your book cover title. Then you can play around with the text settings by applying different text fonts. You can adjust the display of the text, you can underline the text, and even adjust the opacity of the text. I'll be customizing these text boxes until they create a soft yet bold appearance for the book cover. And then you can repeat similar steps to customize the back cover of your book. And that's how you can design a quick and easy front and back cover for your book. And also in a moment, I'll be covering how you can bulk fill your book interior pages. Also, if you're unfamiliar with the process of setting up Amazon KDP, I'll be quickly showing you how to do that. You're going to want to open the Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing website, and then you can set up your account. Once you see this page, you'll be able to create a new book to publish, and you can also take a look at your bookshelf, so all the books that you've created. Then you can select what type of book you're looking to create. I'll be selecting paperback. Then you can begin filling the information about your book. You can set the book language, the title. You can select if your book is a part of a book series. Then if you'd like, you can insert the edition number for the book. You can list your details as the author, and also the details for the contributor authors. Next, you can select the publishing rights, the primary audience type for this type of book. And next, you can select the categories and keywords for your book. You also have the option to set the publication date and release date settings. You can first off select your ISBN settings. Then you can further customize the print options for your book file that you're going to be able to download from BookBolt. You can also set your book covers, and you can set the settings for if there's any AI generated content. For this third page, this will be where you can set the pricing for your book and the different shipping preferences. Then you'll be able to publish your paperback book. Then we can work on the interior of the book. You want to click on one of your pages, then click the page template icon. And this is where you can browse the BookBolt's different page templates and choose one that matches the book type you're creating. As you can see, they have a variety. They have word puzzle templates. They also have different planner page templates for if you're creating a planner. And you can also search for the type of page you're looking for. I'll be using this gratitude journal template. Then you can select the amount of pages you would like to apply this page template to. Then you can select the ratio settings for the page template display. And here you see that it has bulk created the journal pages. If you'd like, you can also add your logo to the bottom of each of your book pages. You want to click the upload image icon, then upload your logo, and then you can scale it on your page. Next, you'll want to right-click that page, then click clone this page, and you can select all the pages that you would like to apply that logo to. And that's how to bulk create the pages for your book. You want to save your book, then click download. You want to select the first option for printed books. And this is how you can download your book file page designs so that you can then import them straight into the KDP platform. Another feature that BookBolt offers is their KDP Spy browser extension. This is a browser extension you can install. This way, when you're searching for an Amazon book, you can use the browser extension to view a few stats about some of the best-selling books on Amazon. BookBolt currently has a 3-day free trial, and they also have 2 available plans that you can select, including a newbie plan and a pro plan. And you can sign up for BookBolt using my link in the description box below. I hope you all enjoyed this video for how to design your own low content book for if you're doing Amazon KDP. Thank you all so much for watching.